Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And you know what? I'm going to be straight up honest. This one is going to be more for me than it is for you guys. I've been waiting for a long time, and tonight my wifey surprised me by giving me this box. They are finally here, my Airpods Max. It's been a long wait, guys. In fact, my wife ordered these on December 8th, the launch of Airpods Max. And as you guys know, these are the new over-the-ear headphones from Apple. And for $549 US, look, these are pricey, no joke, but these are going to be my main headphones. I'm super excited, guys. Let's do this. Sky blue with the blue headband. And guys, these even a month later are still sold out across Hong Kong. You can pick up the black version, the silver version, but good luck trying to get these blue colored AirPods Max. And so let's do it, guys, and unbox this bad boy. Here's the tab. Let's pull it. Oh yeah, here we go. And there's one thing I do want to check before I open these AirPods Max. How big is this box compared to my Mac Mini M1 box? Here's the Mac Mini M1 box. Let's have a look. Oh my gosh. And the Mac Mini box is maybe a little bit deeper, but it's actually smaller than the AirPods Max box. Incredible. Here we go, lifting the lid. I'm so excited, guys. I'm like shaking right now, guys. You have no idea. There they are, the AirPods Max. And this looks like the little protective cover to the case. We're going to set these aside real quick. Show you what's inside the box here. Designed by Apple in California, AirPods Max. Wow. And let's see, do we get Apple stickers here? We do not, surprising. All the information for AirPods Max. And my wife ordered these for me on December 8th. This was literally a week after our anniversary and before Christmas. So this is essentially the anniversary, Christmas gift, birthday gift, all the gifts, all combined into one. And here we have the USB-C to Lightning cable. And that's pretty much it, guys. So let's set this aside and let's get to these AirPod Max. You can feel the magnet here of the case. This much maligned AirPods Max case, maybe one of the most hated Apple products of the last decade. But you know what? Let's see if it's really as bad as everyone says it is. Pull out the paper there. There we go. How does that feel? How does that feel? These don't feel too bad. I know that you guys may say these look terrible. They don't feel too bad. And I gotta smell this right now. They smell like the interior of a brand new Lincoln Town Car. And that is the smell that I get. It is a weird thing to say. It smells like chemicals, but you know what? It smells good. And now here we go, taking these out of their case for the first time. And these like so, we're protecting the ear cups. And there we go. There they are. My very own pair of AirPods Max. Yes. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video, and I'm assuming no one wants to see a review of these on the channel. These have been out for a long time, but let me tell you, these are going to be used by me so much. I'm going to use the hell out of these things. I use AirPods, guys, quite a lot. Here's my AirPods Pro. Here are my previous generation AirPods. And the seamless integration of AirPods with iPhones is the reason why these are so good. But you've seen the reviews as well, and so you don't need me to tell you, yes, these are pricey as heck, but given the just build quality of these things, from the beautiful cold single unibody aluminum, just precision built. And I mentioned before, these ear cups definitely feel different than using leather ones, but in the time I've used them at the Apple Store, and trust me, I've used them plenty of times, they are pretty comfortable, and they also don't get your ear very warm after prolonged use. To the combination of the digital crown for controlling your music, you got one of the most incredible active noise cancellation modes on any headphones, and transparency mode that MKBHD called the best on any headphones. It's been a surreal experience using these in the store, but I've never used them out and about, and I definitely plan to the 20 hours of battery life. That's not industry leading, but I think still will last you quite a while. And let's face it, guys, the two biggest negative things about these headphones were the case, which, let's face it, okay, yeah, it's kind of silly. It looks like a bra. It looks just ridiculous. And the price. Those are the two things that have been negatively kind of told about these headphones. And yet the reality is, these are, if not the best, one of the best pair of over-the-ear active noise canceling headphones on the market. And if you're in the Apple ecosystem, well, you already know you may be waiting for your order to arrive in a couple of months. But mine is here, guys, and it's time for me to just enjoy, put these on. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. First time, baby. Oh, yeah. These feel good. So there you go, my unboxing and just initial impressions of the AirPods Max. They're not for everyone, but I can tell you I'm going to love the hell out of these things. Thank you so much once again to my beautiful Lopal, to my baby, for one of the best gifts that any person who is in the Apple ecosystem, who uses AirPods and is a big fan of AirPods, to have. This is a game changer for me, and I can't wait to really put these to the test. And if you did want to see a review or a follow-up in a couple of weeks with these AirPods Max, do let me know. I may also bring these to the Frankie Apple Tech channel for a deeper dive on AirPods Max. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on AirPods Max? Are you a fan of these headphones, or do you think that they're still overpriced despite everything that you've heard about the sound quality, the build quality, and just the overall experience of these headphones? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. Gonna pair these to my iPhone and start listening. I can't wait. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Waiting for the blue. It was worth it.